Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to create this kind of UI for selecting country, state and city. And believe me that this functionality is very easy to implement with the help of this method, with the help of this package that I'm going to describe in this video. So let me show some demo. Like this is your country, and when you will tap here, my country is India, so when I will type India, then I can select India, then I'll be able to select state. And suppose if I will not select state, then city text field will city drop down will not be enabled. So I will have to select this Karnataka, then you can select the city. Okay, and after selection you will also get these values to send through API, or you can use this data. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this, first of all, you will have to install this package csc_picker, and I will put the whole code and the package link in the description. You can check that. So now let me run this once again. Initially it is blank. I will start coding now. So inside my scaffold, I am taking here background color, which is of this little bit of dark green. You can use your color according to your requirement. This is body, and inside body I'm taking column, and main axis alignment will be center, and of course it will take children, and inside children I'm using padding for providing padding from horizontally for now, which is 8, and then it will contain a child, and this child I'm providing a color, shape, providing a border radius to this card of 12, shadow color black, elevation 10, and again padding. Let me run this now. Nothing is visible, of course. And now inside this card I'm taking child, and child will be CSC picker. It will come from the package that I have installed initially. So again I will add layout vertical. For now it is vertical. I will show you changing it to horizontal, then you will be able to know that what kind of changes will be occurred. And again flag state is enabled, so you will see country name along with flag icon. On country change, these are the callback method. When you will select country, it will return country value. When you will select state, it will return select state value, and same as for city. And then this is the let me run this for now. Yes, so till now this is visible. When I will tap on this country, this flag and the name is coming, and these two are disabled now. Once I will select any country, then state and state is enable, and when I will select state, then city will be enabled. So for now, let me run this once again. So this value country search placeholder is basically this text. Again let me change this also. I'm not changing, I'm basically telling you can change the placeholder text from here. State search placeholder, state search, city search placeholder, you can change it from here. And again, labels for drop down, like, let me type this, and city drop down label, which is select color. If you run this now, then this text, like country drop down label, is basically this label select country, and this country state city will be visible here. If you will change some text here, it will be visible here. So let me move forward. Drop down border radius, so this is the radius, you can change it. For now I'm using 12. Search bar radius, so this one is the radius. Let me run this. Now if I will tap on this, let's see, the radius is 30, that is why it is providing a circular edges. So let me move forward now. So drop down decoration, this one is for drop down decoration. For now I'm using this green, light green color, and the border color will be gray, and width is of 2. Let me run this. Here it is. So you can handle the color from here. Let me move forward. So this one is when this text field is enabled. When your text field is disabled, then you can handle the color from here like this. Let me run this. Here color is this, and the border color is gray shade 600, width is 2. You can also manage width of the drop down border. Let me move forward. Again, this one, when you will select any value, then you can also change the font size. For now, let me select one for you. If I am selecting a country, and then if I will increase the size, let me 18, then the size of the drop down increases, so you can handle this from here. Again, let me move forward. This is the heading, this one, select country, this one is the heading. You can handle heading from here. Let me run this. You can handle heading here. Again, let me move forward. Style, let me change this to, okay, this is the text. Text size has increases, so you can drop down item style with the help of this text. Background color is green. If we will set the background color green, let's see what happens. It doesn't look good, so I'm going to revert it. So this is the whole code, and I will be showing you how can you take the values from country, state and city. Let me print country. Again, same for the state, and same for the city. Now let me run this once again. Now you will see when I will select here my my country, which is India. India is printing here, and when I will choose, which is Bihar, Bihar is coming here. When I will choose anyone, Aurangabad, Aurangabad is printing here. So you can handle the result and use this according to your requirement. And one more thing I just want to show you, that this layout is vertical for now. If you will make it horizontal, then it will look like this. So it is up to you what kind of design you want to give, what kind of color you want to use. So that's it in this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and share the video. And yes, hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.